Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a LimeCrime palette. This is the Venus Extra Large 2. I finally got it in the mail and I want to open it with you guys. So it's just like the Venus Extra Large, the original one. So yeah, we are going to open it together. This is my first time. It looks it's the same size as this one, the same weight, all that good jazzy stuff. Are you ready? I'm going to show you guys first. Take a look at it. So with this palette, it seems like it's gonna be more, it's still on the warm side, but it has cool tones. But I do notice off the bat, compared to the extra large, the original one, it's more, this one has more, the second one has more shimmers. See that, guys? So yeah, this one has more shimmers. That's gonna be interesting. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna do a look with this and then come back and give you guys my thoughts. I am sure that these pigments, not pigments, but these shadows are gonna perform very good because LimeCrime never disappoints me. So yeah, let's dip into this palette and let's have some fun. Oh, y'all, I just noticed this. So on here, she has like more jewelry. She has a nose ring, rings on. Then she has a hairpiece. That's dope. All right, but anyway, let's jump into the palette. Okay, I am back. I put, what I put underneath my eyes? I put my banana powder by Makeup Revolution underneath my eyes because my face makeup is already done. And then I put the Ulta concealer, well not concealer, but Ulta foundation. I use that to prime my eyelids. To me, it has the same type of formula. Oh, I got some makeup on my lip. It has the same type of formula as the concealer, so I'm using that to conceal my eyes. I still have not been able to get my hands on the P. Louise because yeah, I need the coins. Then I'll buy it. So the first color I want to go in with is in Bloom, this shade right here. I'm going to put that probably up here. Okay, so I applied the eyeshadow pretty much up here, and then every time I always do that, it always appears that I'm covering up my whole lid, but that's still fine because, you know, the colors will still flow because everything in this palette flows within each other, sort of. So yeah, I blended that and it's cute. So the next shade I'm going to go in with, I only can use 4 mattes. It's only 4 mattes in this palette. It's this matte, this matte, this matte, and where's the other matte? This matte right here. So this one, this one, this one, and this one are all mattes. The rest are all shimmers or the other stuff where it's like a shimmer also. I forgot what the fuck it is. Shit. But yeah, once I remember it, I'll have it linked underneath. If I don't have it linked, I don't remember. So let's go in with Rip. Straight out the rip. Let's go in with that. Party in Okay, so I applied that brown. It's very light. So I'm just gonna go back in with this pink color and like kind of like blend it out kind of. Because I think I want to go in with that dark brown. So I'm going to kind of, I don't know, dilute it. I don't know if that's... So I fixed the brown just a tad. I think I'm going to go in with Classical. This dark, burgundy, brownish type color. So as you can see, I went in with that brown and blended it out and pretty much made it blend with the other two colors. So I want to have this pink to still show, you know, show up somehow. So what I'm going to do is just put that right in the spot to where it was originally, so that we can see some type of hint of pink. And then I'm going to go back in with that brown Classical, which was that dark brownish shade, and blend it in so that it can, you know, match, you know, transition, no harsh lines. So next, I'm going to cut my crease, and we're going to pick out a shade. What we're going to do, a shade for our lid. I always ramble. I don't know why I do that. And plus, I always mess up and stumble on my words. Because I don't know about this palette, but we'll get into this. Let me cut my crease. Okay, so I cut my crease. Dude, I really want to go in with this Eve color, y'all. But I don't want to make it so simple, but I really want to go in with that color. I might do green because that's the whole point of this palette. But y'all, like, that shade is so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with, Myth. So the cut crease might be a little bit messed up, but it's all good. We're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Classical, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and it's matte. I'm gonna go in and blend the edges. Cute. Okay, so I'm trying to debate. Should I add liner? Why not? Let's add liner. I've been wanting to try this new eyeliner I bought from the beauty supply store. It's called Kiss New York. I normally use Stella eyeliner, and that costs $22. This is only $2. So I'm trying to find products that do the same job, but is way much cheaper, because I'm in school now and I won't be working full time, so I have to make sure I budget. That's going to be a very dramatic line. And the problem I'm having with these Beauty Supply Store eyeliners is that they do not work well over shimmer shades. To where I'm like, okay, maybe I'm stuck buying my Stella eyeliner. So this is gonna take a minute. I'll be right back. So I finally did my eyeliner. Baby, that took all damn day. I'm about to go buy me some Stella when I get paid because this ain't gonna work. It does the job, but look at this. It looks bad. I can't do that one. So yeah, that ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna throw in my eyelashes and come right back because we still gotta do. So I threw my lashes on. So now I'm going to line my bottom lash with this white eyeliner I got from the Beauty Supply Store for $2. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. I think I want to apply this green on my eye at the bottom lash and then smoke it out with brown. Let's see how that turns out. So I think I'm gonna go in with a nude. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild. It's a brown shade. It's called Caramel Cake. And then I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance. It's called, well, it's not a name, it's just a number, 5403. It's like a nudish pink color. So yeah, let's jump into that. All right, so I'll be right back. I'm about to, get my hair. Okay, I am back. And just so you guys know, if you're interested in this unit, I will have it linked to this video. Also, check out the wig update as well. So yeah, this is the final look. So I hope you guys like this and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So let's jump into my review and also, yeah, my review, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the palette one more time. Check it out, check it out. This is the shades. Check it out, check it out. I'm gonna pause. Can you guys see that? This is the darkest shade in the palette and this is a matte. This is a matte, this is a matte, and this is a matte. The rest of these shades are shimmers and duochrome. So see, I remember, they're duochromes. Let's see, I'm gonna guess which one is duochromes. I know for a fact these two, this one and this one is a duochrome. Also, what else? What other color could be a duochrome? I believe this one is a duochrome. What about this one? And this one is a duochrome. So, pretty much my thoughts on this palette. I do like this palette. I love LimeCrime eyeshadows. The pigmentation that they have in their palettes are phenomenal. I love it. It's easy to blend. It's very pigmented. They're beautiful. They work very well with other colors that I have in my collection. Whenever I'm using another palette that's not LimeCrime, that their shades are very compatible with other palettes. So that's why I love gravitating towards LimeCrime. Now, the only drawback of this palette is that I do wish that it was more mattes in this palette. I think that having more mattes in a palette, I can do more looks. And it has so many, you know, eyeshadows in here that they could have included more mattes. Let me get closer, guys. So this could have been like a matte shade, or this could have been matte, and one of these could have been either or, like a shimmer, because they're so close. And like, let me sample them real quick. They're almost close in pigmentation when it comes to the color, and so is this one. This is a green and this is a green. They're so much closer. So I think, you know, they could have had, I would have loved that if they included a dark navy, like a dark deep forest green, and also include the sage. That would have been a very beautiful look. And I also would have been happy if they included probably kind of like a black to deepen up this look. But you can, just like I stated before, you can combine these two palettes together to create a look if you choose to. Because these, now you're going to see how beat up this palette is. As you can tell, I love using their pink. I use this color a lot as well. I use that in a lot of looks to deepen up other shades that I have. I pretty much don't really use their shimmers. I really need to be honest. But anyway, that's a whole nother video. So for this palette, do I recommend? I do still recommend, because look at this. If you want to make like a soft nude look, this can still, you can include this in your everyday palette. If you want something nude but still glam, it can be included, because this is like a nude look and it's still glam. So yeah, that is my thoughts on this palette. I do recommend it, and I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on it. And I'm also happy that I am reviewing it today. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs me up. If you find that this video was very informative, also thumbs me up. And also do not forget to subscribe to stay in touch. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.